Welcome to Raw Forestry. No hype, no shortcuts. Just machines built to work and wood that doesn't care how hard you try. Here, power is measured in output, not promises. This is firewood production at full throttle. No warm-up, no waiting. The Cord King 48 rips, splits, and feeds nonstop. Driven by an 80 horsepower John Deere Hart, logs go in, firewood flies out, and cold stoves don't stand a chance. No wasted motion, just muscle and momentum doing their job. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 takes massive logs and turns them into clean, consistent firewood. Every split carries speed, precision, and force. This machine doesn't try to impress, it just works, cycle after cycle, without hesitation. When the Limix stump shear is paired with the hydraulics of a Hitachi EX200, land clearing changes pace. Roots, stumps, hard ground, none of it slows the process down. Durable blades bite deep, pulling obstacles out cleanly and keeping productivity high where it matters. Twisted steel and demolition debris don't last long against the Norwood Metals Atlas 350 mH. Built for scrapyards, it sorts, lifts, and loads heavy metal with controlled hydraulic precision. What starts as chaos ends as order, ready for recycling and reuse. Cherry trees disappear fast when the Pezzolatto PTH 900 works alongside a Palfinger Epsilon crane and Steyr Profi power. Orchard waste becomes usable fuel in seconds. It's not just speed, it's efficiency, precision, and timing working together. When raw timber meets modern engineering, machines like the Gens Cobra Plus Hybrid show their value. Truck-mounted, built for non-stop industrial use, logs are lifted, fed, and shredded with accuracy. The hybrid drive delivers massive horsepower while cutting fuel consumption, proving power and responsibility can coexist. Sometimes the material isn't wood. A motorbike drops into a shredder. Plastic snaps, steel twists, rubber tears away. In seconds, a full machine becomes recyclable fragments. No drama, just controlled destruction doing its job. Firewood sawing becomes smooth and predictable, with conveyor systems like the Binderberger WS 700 FBZ paired to a Deutz tractor. Balanced power, steady feed, clean cuts. This is machinery built for fuel efficiency and long workdays. Not every solution needs horsepower. A simple log cutting easel changes everything. Stable support, safer cuts, less strain. Sometimes the smartest tools are the quietest ones. Outdated electronics meet industrial shredder blades. Plastic, circuit boards, wires all reduced to recoverable material. Data destroyed, resources reclaimed. Brutal, but necessary. Then there's scale, the Petzolato PTH 1000, 400 drum chipper, driven by a Caterpillar C27 pushing over 1,000 horsepower. Entire tree trunks vanish into the drum, reappearing as uniform chips in seconds. This isn't impressive, it's industrial reality. Two John Deere tractors work together in heavy chipping operations. One feeds, one hauls. Branches, dust, and raw power fill the air as forest residue becomes usable biomass. Machines like the Chipper 8000 and 10C exist for one reason: efficiency at scale. Handling logs up to 80 centimeters in diameter, With crane precision and consistent chip quality, it turns forests into fuel without slowing down. Firewood doesn't have to break your back anymore. The Cord King Tumbler delivers massive push force with a multi-way wedge, then cleans the wood in one cycle. No bark, no mess, just ready fuel. Scrap piles and worn-out tires don't belong in landfills. Heavy shredders tear through steel and rubber, turning waste into something usable again. It's not pretty, but it's responsible work. The LKT81 Turbo drags massive loads like they weigh nothing. From horses and chains to modern skidders, this is forestry evolution powered by torque and stubborn work ethic. Sometimes a simple log holder changes the whole workflow. Load it, cut safely, move on. Efficiency doesn't always need complexity. High-volume firewood production demands machines like the AMR Quattromat drum saw. Fast cuts, clean handling, adjustable lengths. Built for serious output, not weekend jobs. Then there's the DIY side. A budget-built firewood processor made from scrap, producing a full cord in under 2 hours. Not fancy, not perfect, but it proves that smart design can beat expensive tools when the conditions are right. Excavators feed scrap into massive shredders, turning junk into manageable fragments. Less landfill, more reuse. That's the cycle. Modern firewood systems like the GAE 8000 paired with X-Power splitters deliver precision and safety together. Efficient, controlled, built for real work. Compact machines like the Wood Beaver Little 14 prove that size doesn't limit capability. Portable, safe, and steady, producing around a cord per hour without drama. Portable processors handle wood where it falls. Less handling, less muscle, more output. Vertical splitters like the ALKO 6000 finish the job cleanly. Quiet operation, indoor use. Logs crushed into clean firewood with no wasted effort. No seasons off. No excuse.